What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna make a video about
what's in the box.
Me and my sister's gonna put our hands in it and guess what's inside. I hope it's not dangerous. I'm not scared guys. I'm definitely scared. Wait, you didn't hear that? Okay, and
if you don't know me,
my name is Tillman and my sister's name is Michelle, and give this video a big thumbs up. Wanna guess what's inside? Turn it around and put our hand in here.
now, but subscribe.
Okay, now we're gonna open the box and see what's inside. Okay, wait. And this thing, it looks like, and you. How do I get this thing now? What is this? Wait. Yeah. Whoa. What? Oh, okay. You guys, do you see what's in the box? What is it? What is it? This is so slimy. Yeah, here goes so slimy. Wait. Wait, is this water? Is this water? This is like water. Wait a minute. I think I know.
It's
Is it like? Wait, what? Wait, whoa. Oh man, I got my hand dirty. Help me guys. Here you go. Is it slime?
It's just slime.
Wait, what? Can I wash my hands? It feels like slime, like really. Ugh.
Ew.
I never want to eat it egg for a month now. Okay. Guys, tell me what it is. I don't want to know if it's like dangerous. Is this like, wait, I feel like, is it tomato? Fresh tomatoes.
It's tomato.
Well, let me test it.
Let me taste it.
I think it's like a tomato. Yeah,
I
I'm sure.
think it's tomato.
Oh yeah. Alright, hold on. Oh.
What?
Ew, is it peanuts? Is it peanuts?
Listen. Is it weird?
I wonder if it has smell. I don't smell it. Wait, is it squishy? Wait, oh, squishy. Wait, I think it's raisin, right?
It's amazing.
Oh, let's go. Well, how many are there? Like, wait, whoa. Oh, there's a lot.
Subscribe to my channel.
To your channel? It's our channel.
No, it's my channel.
I wonder what's inside. Ooh.
It's
What is it? Wait, is this egg again?
It's jelly.
What? I was about to say that too.
Yeah.
What kind of jelly is that? Oh, wait, I'm gonna taste it. Wait, are you allowed to eat it? It tastes of water. Is it pineapple? Yeah, it does. No, I mean like green apple. I have a really bad feeling about this one. Oh.
It's a broccoli.
Wait, I thought it was a tree branch or something. Definitely I'm correct.
No, it's a broccoli. It's broccoli seed.
Let's put our hands in.
Oh.
Oh! Come on, is this slime again? Wait.
It's an egg, right?
Is it yogurt? I like yogurt. The yogurt's so mine. Wait, is it yogurt? Oh, wait. Peanut butter? Is it peanut butter? Wait, pizza. No. Wait, it's milk, right? Wait, I think it's sour cream. Yes. Let me taste it, guys.
Let me taste it.
It tastes like cream. It's a cream.
It's a cream.
It's so good. Come on, what is this? It's a ball! Wait, here you go, guys. You can see it right now. Wait, is this poop? It feels like sugar. Look.
Can you?
Feel it? Wait, can I? Is this sugar? Is this sugar really? Is this sugar? Yes, it is. So if it's sugar, this must be a gummy or something. Or a marshmallow? Wait, what?
Either one marshmallow. What?
Ooh la 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 la. Oh man. It's cupcake. Wait, this is fucking cupcake, right? So that's our end of the video. And did you like it, sister?
Yes.
And so as me too. I had a lot of fun with you guys and my sister. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Come on, guys. More of these cupcakes. Cupcakes armies. Right? Where's the army? No.
Can you eat it?
So bye guys. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye guys too.
Bye. Can you want to eat it? What?
I'm gonna try the pink one this time.
I tried blue one.